what you're talking about is these are classic symptoms of OCD. Locking up, unplugging things, flooding the house, burning down the house, making someone sick. It's going to be my responsibility. All that is...
And how would I handle it? Yeah.
Well, yeah. How would I cope with having done this horrible thing? Because which is being irresponsible. So that's classic OCD. It mixes in with, this is how OCD works. It picks the topics that have high value to you. When you talk about your uncle and burning down the house, these are all high value things. So it's going to grab those and use them against you for its own purpose. Your job is to distinguish those two things, which means to be able to go, this isn't about contamination. This is about my intolerance of uncertainty. What are we trying to do? I want to tolerate uncertainty better. And the way we do it in treatment is we go toward uncertainty. And I want to tolerate my distress about being unsure. And the way we fix that is we go toward distress.
Interesting.
The problem you and I have at this moment is we've got no territory in which you're saying, I don't want to do that anymore. I want to stop doing that. I want to start doing, I want to have more of my day back.
Right.
I want to have more of my freedom back. You know, whether it just gives me 30 minutes a day would be something I would want. So that's what you and I need. Now I'm beginning to actively challenge her logical system and to push a competing viewpoint. I call her problems classic OCD. I convey that she must step back in those threatening moments and grab this new perspective. She needs to label each of these moments properly as an OCD event. And then she needs to change her response to the moments. Right then and there, she needs to practice tolerating uncertainty, to go toward doubt and distress on purpose. This task must override her powerful urge to respond to the content, to make sure things are safe.